Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Overleaf to create a resume. First, open your preferred web browser, then go to overleaf.com. This is the online latex editor for creating documents like resumes. Here, make sure you're signed in or create an account. Use your email, Google, or Orchid account to register or log in. Click New Project at the top left. Select Example Project or Blank Project. Choose a resume template. Recommended. You can also go to overleap.com gallery tagged CV, link in the description below. Then choose your preferred template, click on it, and hit Open as Template for a pre-made resume format. Rename your project. Click the project name at the top and give your resume a custom title, then just hit enter. Familiarize yourself with the editor. The left panel contains the text code, and the right panel shows the live preview. Edit your personal information. Take note, if there is file outline, you can easily find the first and last information from the top to bottom of your resume. And take note that we have to begin with the begin document here. Change info. Replace placeholder details like name, email, phone number, etc., and a text file. Customize sections, experience, or education. Edit or add sections in the code. For example, we will change the info and the item on experience. Use LaTeX syntax properly. Use the section text and begin for formatting. Avoid deleting key LaTeX commands. Now, click Recompile to see changes. This refreshes the right preview panel with your latest edits. Download your resume. Click Menu, then hit PDF to save the final version to your Windows PC. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.